What's up, everyone? Welcome to the video. Today we're going to take a look at how to change the battery in this Jaguar F-Type smart key remote fob. This Jaguar F-Type key fob is going to use replacement battery CR2032, and I'll put a link in the description box of this video to where you can purchase these replacement batteries if you're in need. The first thing we want to do in order to replace the battery is we're going to remove this metal piece on the key fob. So if you hold it like this, you'll be able to just slide that metal piece up about that far, and then it'll come off of there. And then we can see our emergency key right here is just in this battery. So I'm going to slide this out of there, and this is what I'm going to use to replace the battery, or open the key fob, I should say. If you don't happen to have your emergency key, you can use a flathead screwdriver or something similar. What I'm going to do is take my key and put it in this slot like that, and then just pry out. And then we can pull the two halves apart, and we see our battery right here. And this will just slide out of that holder like that. Grab our new replacement battery, and you want to make sure that you're installing that with the plus side up. Go ahead and slide it into that holder, and then we can snap the two halves together. Put the emergency key back in its holder, and then we'll grab this metal piece, and this will push on and then just slide down a little bit to lock into place. Pretty simple. If you have any questions, please let me know. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out, and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.